Good afternoon, children. Welcome to our school, Nandini and Valmiki. In the previous class, we have learnt about multiples. Today, we are going to learn what are the factors. We will discuss this concept with the help of an example. For example, find out the factors of 12. How many ways 12 can be arranged, Nana? I took here 12 flowers. I took 12 flowers in such a way these flowers are arranged in 1 1 1 means 1 12 ja 12 12 flowers there. Okay, so 1 12 ja 12, and these can be the second way 12 ones of 12. Why? Because 12 column wise, if we see 12 ones are 12. Okay, only one way. And second one 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 2 ja 12, or 2 rows 2 6 are 12, 2 6 are 12, or 6 2 ja 12, both are also same. Okay, if we observe third one 3 4 ja 12, 1 2 3 4 rows, each row 4. Okay, 3 rows, each row 4 flowers, 3 4 ja 12. If we see column wise, 4 columns, each column 3 flowers. Column means standing side, standing direction. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. So 3, each column wise 3, 3 4 ja 12, 3 4 ja 12, 4 3 ja 12. Okay, these are the ways, only 3 ways. The pairs of products, which ways, Nana? 1 12 ja 12, 2 6 ja 12, 3 4 ja 12. Okay, what are these pair? These pairs product gives a number 12. So these are called factors of 12. Okay, children, then the factors of 12 equals to 1 2 3 4 6 and 12. Simply, in which table, do you know multiplication tables, Nana? Okay, in which tables we are getting the number 12? First table, every number is in first table, and the number itself 1 12 are 12, and 12 ones are also both same, both are also same. Next 2 6 are 12, 6 2 are 12. Don't write two times, these only two ways. 2 6 are 12, 3 4 are 12. Okay, children. Next, let us factors of 6, that equals to 6 is 6, 2 3 ja 6, 3 2 ja 6 1 ja, both are also same, no? So factors of, in which table we get factor 6? 1 table and 2 table. Already 3 came, 3 table also, these only 3 table. 3 2 ja 6, 2 3 ja 6, 1 6 ja 6, 6 1 ja 6. So 1 factors of 6 equals to 1 2 3 and 6. Next, in the same way, find out the factors of 8. 1 8 ja 8, 2 4 ja 8, only 2 tables. 4 2 ja 8, 8 1 ja 8. So factors of 8 equals to 1 2 4 and 8. See, Nana, if we see only this way, we can express 6 and also 8, means this is countable, only two ways only. Here two ways only, two ways we got 4 factors, here also 4 factors. Okay, means number of factors are countable, means finite. Finite means we can write all the factors of a number. In the same way, if we observe here, with these three example, before 12, now 6 and 8. 1 is factor, so 1 is a factor of all numbers, and in factors of 6, 6 is there. In factors of 8, 8 is there. Means every number is has a factor itself. Means itself is the one of the factor of its factors. If we observe these factors, factors of 12, factors of 6, factors of 8, what we noticed? We have noticed that 1 is the factor of every number, and the number itself is the greatest factor. Why we are saying greatest factor? We are able to write all the factors of a number. That's why the greatest is ending factor. What is the last factor? 12. So if we observe these three numbers, the number itself is the greatest factor. The number itself is the greatest factor. The number itself is the greatest factor, and remaining factors between 1 and the number itself. Okay. Now the common factors of 12, 6 and 8. How to find common factors of three numbers? If we see, 1 is in all factors list. 1, 1, 1. So 1 is the common factor. Let us see remaining factors. 2 also. 2 is in 12 factors. 2 is in 6 factors. 2 is in 8 factors. In the same way, which one is? 4 only 2 factors. Okay. So 4 is not a common factor. Here we are taking into consideration 3 numbers. What we are saying common, that should be in all factors. All means 12 factor, 6 factor, 8 factor. But 4 is in only 2 numbers. So 4 is not common factor. In the same way, 3 is also only 2 numbers. If we see 2 all numbers, all factors list. In the same way, 6 is also only 2 numbers. Okay. So what are the common factors? Common factors of 12, 6 and 8 are 1 and 2. 1 and 2 only. 1 and 2 are the common factors of 12, 6 and 8. Okay children, thank you.